Okay, so here we're going back to our classic shrimp ceviche. What I love to do is we're going to take some spices. Now, I've already started with some fresh cracked black pepper. Just give it a few shakes. Not that much. And about a pinch of sea salt. I'm going to slide that in there. A little bit of our seafood seasoning as well. A couple of shakes is good. You know, you can just kind of eyeball it. And last but not least, one of my favorites, Old Bay. And I'm just going to give it probably about a half a pinch. Put these buddies back up. And just a simple shake. And that's it. Those are our spices that we're going to be starting off with our jumbo prawns.